Why you should have a spoonful of olive oil first thing in the morning. Olive oil has been proven to be one of the healthiest cooking oils around. But did you know that have a tablespoon of the oil with some lemon juice is extremely beneficial? Olive oil is the go-to cooking oil for health freaks and those wanting to cook healthy and lose weight. But the wonders of the oil are much more than just protecting the heart from risks of attacks. The demand for olive oil has increased in the last few years thanks to growth in the health-conscious populace of the world. Due to the numerous health benefits of olive oil, it is typically used in cooking, but eating it raw is even healthier. A lot of health experts recommend eating olive oil in the morning with just a dash of lemon juice. The lemon is added to make the oil more palatable and also give a boost to the digestive system. Here's why you should have olive oil in the morning. Before going into video, make sure subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. So let's get started. 1. Prevents colon cancer. According to various studies, drinking extra virgin olive oil may prevent the formation of free radicals in the body and reduce the incidence of colon cancer. This is because olive oil is full of antioxidants. 2. Healthy skin. Anything full of antioxidants is always great for the skin. Just like vitamin E, antioxidants also slow the aging of the skin. Olive oil has an abundance of both of these. 3. Helps in weight loss. The idea of consuming olive oil this way comes from the Mediterranean diet, which, despite its share of naysayers, has been found to be effective. 4. Detoxification. The idea of a digestive cleanse has been denounced by some health experts. But as per few experts, olive oil and lemon detox cleanse have benefits for the digestive system in the short term. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.